Hello friends, have you missed me? Welcome to this week's traditional recipe, unlike any other, Augusta National's famous pimento and cheese sandwich. Let's go. First we're going to start with 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 cups of shredded cheddar, 1 cup of Monterey cheddar, 1 tablespoon of minced onion, 1 jar of diced pimentos, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and give this a good mix until everything is softened and combined. Then just slap it on some white bread and enjoy. That sandwich never gets old, especially during Masters Week. Don't forget to check out our brand new spring and summer collection. I just released it about 2 days ago. Check us out. Don't forget the threads, baby.